Lesotho now decided to lock all of them up. I don't know whether it's true, but it's funny. That's to tell you how enemy of progress exists. Anyway, that is not the reason why I'm making today's video. If you read this comment, the Nigerian citizen has not been able to understand that the fight is not about tribalism. The fight is about between the politicians and the people they are leading. People feel like it is a war between Igbo and Hausa, between Hausa and Yoruba, between Yoruba and Igbo. No, the war is between politicians and the masses. Dino Minaye is a PDP person. He's speaking against the APC. But as I'm talking to you, Dino Minaye can directly get something, benefit something from this government. Even Peter Obi, even Atiku that contest under Labour and PDP, these people can benefit from this government if they want to. If they want the contract, they will get. But you, I don't want to use the word riffraff, you that does not benefit anything from the government is here glorifying yourself that your person is winning. What impact has Buhari done for the Katsina people in the last 8 years? You never learn from it. What impact, all the people that shouted say, Baba, which impact did Buhari make in their life? And you are here glorifying, Igbo man will never rule Nigeria, as if the effect in the economy is affecting all Igbo people. Now they are indirectly talking about fuel scarcity. Dollar is on the increase. There is no money in Nigeria ATM. They are here saying, Yoruba people don't talk too much. This is myopic thinking. And it's high time we start correcting this impression. The fight about good governance has nothing to do with tribe. And this is where you people are getting it wrong. And the politicians are taking advantage of it. Knowing that foolish people exist that will be fighting based on religion and tribalism. Meanwhile, the people, some of you don't even know Tinubu house in Lagos. You never for one day enter inside. And if you finish his 8 years, you will never for one day meet Tinubu one-on-one. But you're here shouting that Yoruba is winning or that religion is winning. What impact has it done for you? I'm out of here, Joe.
People come on Gary, we can't buy Gary again. Nowadays, we are suffering. Food we can't buy, rice we can't buy. We can't feed our child again. Even look at our students now. They want to do NECO. The NECO thing they want to do, there is no money. We don't have money to give them to do the NECO exam. No pro, no anything. All our child, we put something on their head to sell up and down so that we will get money to eat. Some people got motor, car, they use the car to carry passenger up and down. Because there is no money. To buy food is a problem. To buy clothes is a problem. To buy food is a problem. To get money is a problem. Another person carry rope to hang his neck and kill himself because of suffer. This summer is too much. We are shouting change. This change is change us from stubbornness. You change another person to thief. You change another person to keep black back. You change another person to highway robber. You change another person to keep person, to carry person here. This is too much in Nigeria.